Hello fellow campers, it is Feature Friday at Walnut Ridge. We're featuring the brand new 2023 Avenue 33 RKS. This guy comes in right at 34 feet 5 inches, weighs 10,556 pounds. It's a rear kitchen floor plan that's got a really nice outside kitchen too. Does have auto level, giant awning with really big pass-through storage area. This place will hook up for TV, electrical, and really nice looking aluminum wheels, big outside fridge, and a griddle. Flip it over. Griddle on the other side. Step inside, we'll check it out. Step inside, you've got a bunch of floor space. Instead of having an island in the middle, we've got the C-shaped kitchen in the back, which really opens this guy up. Theater seat recliners are directly across from the entertainment center. And it does have a big TV. It is on a swing arm, the giant fireplace underneath below too. This is a wide body, so it really feels big. With the extra large windows all the way around, it really makes it feel like enormous too, with a really nice view. You can see the insides of the slides are 6'8" or 6'8". It's got residential fridge in the back, split side by side, which I really like. Let's have a nicer Corian-like countertops, undermount stainless steel sink, giant over-the-range microwave, got bigger oven with the recessed, and then even a drawer underneath it. It looks kind of like a broiler. Tons of drawers. Step up to the bathroom bedroom deck. You have a hide-a-bed sofa on the way there. In the bathroom, you got the big shower. You actually have some storage to the left side. So you have a place for linens, giant sink and vanity. And in the bedroom, you got king-size bed, second air conditioner, big chest of drawers, and the closet up here is absolutely enormous. All the little extra finishes, like this door, if you can turn around and get the shot of the kind of barn door for the bedroom. This thing is gorgeous. So feel free to reach out with any questions. I hope you enjoyed this Feature Friday with the Avenue 33 RKS.